Okay, so welcome back you guys. And in the previous video, we saw that how we can install the TypeScript independently. And in today's video, I will show you a simple example that how you can create a TypeScript file and how you can run it. Okay, so let us see that how we can do this. This is my Visual Studio Code and I'm going to open a file which is a TypeScript file. So I'm just going to save it at some locations. So let me just save it first. So I'm just going to save it at some location like this, not on the desktop. Let me just do it in the TypeScript itself. So here I will just save it, and the name will be test type script 1.ts. Please remember that the extension of the TypeScript file is .ts. So I have created this TypeScript file, and now let me write some code which is related to which is a TypeScript code and also a JavaScript code. I already told you in the previous video that any TypeScript code is a valid JavaScript code. So let me just write a valid JavaScript code, which is a TypeScript code, and let's see how we can compile it and how it runs. Okay, so let me just write the code. So in JavaScript, how you write a function? You use the keyword function, and you can write some message like so, some function like so message which will show some message on the console. So console.log. Did you ever use this function console.log in the JavaScript code? You might not have used it, right? So today you will see that how you can use it. So console.log, I'm just writing world hello world from TypeScript. Okay, so this is the function and I will call it here inside P a paragraph. I'm just going to call it show message, and I'm just going to close the paragraph as well. Okay, so let's see what happens. Why this is cannot find name P. Okay, so no problems. This is not a valid TypeScript code because this is a HTML tag. But you know that HTML tag is something part of the HTML. So I'm not going to mix it, although you can do these things, but I'm not going to mix these things so that we can keep it simple. So when I will write so message, then in that case, it will print console.log hello world from TypeScript. So it will print on the console. So let me show you that how we can compile it to display something on the console. So I have opened this console, and here you can see that there is test TypeScript test TypeScript 1.ts file is there. So I need to just compile it, which means that I just need to transpile it. The compilation of TypeScript into the JavaScript code is called as transpilation. So I will write tsc test script test TypeScript 1.ts. So this is test tsc command, and then you can see that it will generate a .js file there. So let me show you that it has generated a .js file as well. So this is the test TypeScript 1.ts which I created, and this is the .js file which was created as a result of transpilation. After you run this command tsc test TypeScript 1.ts, after that only this file was created, test TypeScript 1.ts .js. Okay, now when the program runs, then this JS file, this JavaScript file is executed. So let me just show you something inside the JavaScript code. So you can see that this is the same code that you have written in the TypeScript, and after the compilation, transpilation, it again generated a JavaScript code, and that JavaScript code is same as the TS code, because that TS code is nothing but I have written a simple JavaScript code. This is a simple JavaScript code. So any JavaScript code is a TypeScript as well. Okay, but every TypeScript is not a JavaScript. It need to be converted into the JavaScript code, JS code, before it can be executed. Okay, this you need to remember. In the previous video, I just missed to clarify this point. Okay, so let us see that how you can run it. When you run it, then you write like node command. You know that node.js you must need to install on your system. So if you have node.js installed on your system, then you must have npm with you. npm, this package manager also comes along with the node.js, and node command is also there. So node and test TypeScript.js, test TypeScript 1.js. So this node command runs this .js files. So you can see that hello world from TypeScript, this has been printed here. So this was the basic example of a TypeScript, that how you can use it, how you can create it, and how it is used internally by the system, internally by the engine of the Angular. Okay, so that's it for today. And in the next video, I will show you that how you can create a variable in TypeScript, and what it happens when that particular TypeScript variable is converted into the JavaScript code. So till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. And please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos, and let others know as well that this is also a channel where you can find the good stuff related to programming languages. So have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.